Hello everyone. If your water elevator is not working in Minecraft, you need to follow my steps. So, first keep in mind that this is not a water block. If you just place water on top and you wait it to fall, you don't get water blocks. To work, you need to place all of them with water buckets. To get all of them water blocks. Now it works. But for longer elevators, this would be so tiring, so you can place kelp. Why kelp and get bone meal? So kelp transforms the flowing water block into a water block. Now you grow to bone meal until it reaches the top. Then you break it and place your magma block or soul sand. Now it works. So if we get on top, right here. That's it. Thanks for watching.